So we just got back from our off-roading trip today. As you can see, my one arm is extra crispy now. Don't make fun of me. But we just got back earlier and I'm tired and I didn't feel like putting too much effort into making food for this week. So I thought I would try something a little more simple this time, something that I also really enjoy. And that is sandwiches. So I basically call this one the JJ Con special because at BLFC there's that sandwich shop down in the basement, and this was one of my favorite things that I got while I was there. So I thought I would just show you the stuff I put in this. It's pretty straightforward. So I would have gotten actual cuts of meat from the deli, but by the time I got there they were closed already. So I just got some of the pre-packaged ones, which still works. It's not like it's going to be that big of a deal. But I got their freshly baked Kaiser roll things. They smell really good. I want to just eat them right now, but I got to save them for sandwich bread. I got some pickled jalapenos here. And also I went through the cheese section and I looked at all the different cheese types they had. And they have, let's see if I can actually zoom in on here. We got some sharp white cheddar and Gouda cheese. I couldn't find any smoked Gouda, but that's good enough. Smoked Gouda would have been better, but I mean, it works. And then also the mustard from the last thing I made, because mustard is great and I love it. So we can use some of that and it'll be good. And where is it? Okay. And yeah, so you all keep telling me how good of a cook you think I am, but I'm not really great. I just follow the directions. That's pretty much it. And hopefully the house doesn't burn down. But just to prove a point, this one doesn't even need to be cooked. I mean, this isn't very hard. Who left this backpack here? But pretty much the things are all pre-cut for you. You don't even have to use utensils or anything. You're just assembling it. Yeah. I don't even have to show you how to make this. If you don't know how to make a sandwich, please go ask your mom. So in related news, here was the vegetable pasta that I wanted to use last week, but when I looked at the directions, it actually has like seasonings and stuff in it already, and I wanted plain. So I couldn't use this for the last one, but I can use it now as an actual side. This one you're supposed to just make in the microwave, but the microwave doesn't work, so yeah. So next best option is to cook it in a pan. But I don't have to show you that either, because it's pretty much the same as cooking rice. So go find your own directions. I lied. By the way, these are pickled jalapenos, if I didn't mention that before. Regular jalapenos taste bad. Don't trust anyone that tells you otherwise. Ta-da! It's done. You're welcome. Oh. Why isn't it working?